Hello everyone, welcome back to ClayDesk. Today I'm going to talk about cloud computing fully explained for beginners. So let's dive right in. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is basically the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet, which is known as the cloud, right? Basically to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. So instead of owning your own computing infrastructure or data centers, companies can rent access to anything from applications to storage from a cloud service provider. So that's really what cloud computing is all about. Now, let's take a look at examples and use cases. So for example, who offers this type of infrastructure? Well, the largest player in the market is Amazon Web Services, known as AWS. It offers a broad range of services from computing power to machine learning to artificial intelligence. Then another player in the market is from Microsoft, which is Microsoft Azure. This offers or provides cloud services for building, testing, deploying, and managing applications and services. And the third largest market competitor or player is Google Cloud Platform, known as GCP. So basically, GCP delivers computing resources for deploying and operating applications on the web. Now, all these three cloud providers, whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP, they're essentially the same. They're providing you infrastructure, they're providing you everything that you need to have instead of managing or owning your own hardware. Let's take a look at use cases. So why do we need these, right? So for example, one of the first use case could be storage and backup. So companies like Dropbox and Google Drive, they use cloud computing to offer storage solutions for individuals and businesses. Another use case is web hosting. You can host websites, you can host applications, and they can be hosted on AWS, Azure, or GCP, or even Red Hat Linux. There are many other platforms that are also available. Another use case would be software as a service. What that means is basically applications like Salesforce and Office 365 are simply delivered over the internet. Let me give another use case. For example, development and testing. So if you're a developer or other developers can use cloud environments to develop, test, and deploy applications. So they don't need to have their own hardware or software. They can simply use AWS, Azure, or GCP to basically develop applications. And finally, let me give you another use case is big data analytics. So companies, for example, like Netflix, they analyze vast amount of data using cloud computing to improve their services. Now you might be wondering how many types of cloud computing are there? Okay. Now there's several types. I'm going to give you the main ones, right? Which is first is the public cloud. What that means is public cloud is simply owned and operated by third-party cloud service providers. They offer resources like servers and storage and simply delivering everything over the internet. For example, AWS, Azure, and GCP, like I've already mentioned before, right? Then you have the private cloud, another type of cloud computing. Here, cloud computing resources used extensively by a single organization, and they can be physically located on the company's on-site data center or hosted by a third-party provider. Then that's really what a private cloud is all about. And then the third type is the hybrid cloud. So in hybrid cloud, what's happening is basically combining public and private cloud infrastructure. And this basically allows data and applications to be shared between them. The benefit really here is that it offers greater flexibility and more deployment options. Now, why do companies or individuals basically are jumping towards cloud computing? And if you're a beginner and you would like to get into the IT space or start a new career, then definitely this will be the solid foundation for you to start with, is understanding what cloud computing is all about. So let me give you some benefits here. First is cost efficiency. So basically, one of the benefits of cloud computing is that it eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software. So you don't have to go out there and spend thousands and thousands of dollars in expensive hardware and software. Whereas you can simply log on to AWS platform or GCP or Microsoft Azure and start using their infrastructure, and you simply pay as you go service, right? That's really where the cost efficiency comes into play. Another benefit is scalability. So you can easily scale resources up or down according to your business needs. So if your business is flourishing, booming, you can simply add more servers, right, or infrastructure to your existing setup. And basically it handles varying loads very, very efficiently. So it's highly scalable. The third benefit would be performance. So major cloud services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers. So no matter where you are, if you're a global company, if you have offices spread all across the world, then this would be certainly an immense benefit, right? It's the performance. Basically, it ensures fast performance and high availability. And more importantly, another benefit would be security, which is very, very important, right? So it provides a set of policies, technologies, and controls to strengthen security posture. And it also protects data, by the way. It protects your apps and infrastructure from potential threats. Another great benefit is flexibility and mobility. So access resources and services from anywhere with an internet connection. So no matter where you are, whether you're traveling, whether you're home, whether you're at the office, you can access any services that you like. It also enhances collaboration among teams located in different parts of the world. So, with that said, why beginners should learn cloud computing basics, right? Basically, that's really what I wanted to lead you to is the understanding that this fundamental knowledge is very important. Well, one of the first reasons why beginners should learn cloud computing is that because of career opportunities. Well, there you go. There's demand and supply. So cloud computing skills are high demand across various industries, right? It opens up numerous job roles. You could become a cloud engineer. You can become a cloud architect. You can become a cloud developer. You can become a DevOps engineer, and so on. There are many, many roles starting from entry level all the way to senior level positions, right? So it certainly opens up huge career opportunities with great pay scale. It offers six-figure salaries to start with. So you can't beat that. Another reason why beginners should learn cloud computing is fundamental IT knowledge. And I mentioned this before because understanding cloud computing is certainly becoming essential for IT professionals. So it basically forms the backbone of modern IT infrastructure and services. Another benefit or the reason is basically innovation and efficiency. It simply encourages the development of innovative solutions, improves the efficiency of IT operations and processes. And that's really where your skill set will come into play. Another reason is versatility. So applicable to numerous fields, for example, such as healthcare, because cloud computing is used in healthcare. It is used in finance. Cloud computing is used in entertainment and many other industries and fields. It also enables you to work on diverse projects and technologies. It's really, really flexible and powerful. And finally, one of the reasons is future proofing, right? And what that means is simply cloud computing is basically a growing field with continuous advancements. And like technology field in general is really all about continuous improvement and learning new technologies all the time. And learning cloud basics will prepare you for the future technological trends. So for example, if you want to get into AI, if you want to get into generative AI, right? That's fine. But understanding the basic cloud computing is still a must. So let's summarize here, right? Understanding cloud computing is crucial for anyone looking to pursue a career in IT or technology. It certainly offers numerous benefits and opportunities, making it a vital skill for the modern workforce. So whether you're interested in developing applications, you're interested in IT support, you're interested in managing IT infrastructure, or you like to become a DevOps engineer or analyzing big data, cloud computing provides the tools and platforms to achieve your goals. So start learning the basics today to stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. My name is Syed. Thank you for watching. Let me know in comments where you are in your career journey. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'll see you in the next video.